My name is Gavin Coyle and I'm the CEO of Coyle Group, a specialist outsourcing safety company that particularly works in wind energy, offshore and onshore wind projects and utility projects. I've been working in the area of health and safety for over 25 years, advising and supporting companies with their needs for health and safety professionals in the field. And we particularly have a niche area in wind energy. And we work with companies like Vestas, Enercon, and major wind turbine manufacturers along with their clients. So on some projects we might work for the wind turbine manufacturer, and on other projects we would be working directly for the client. So what sets us apart as a leading supplier of health and safety experts in the wind industry is that my own background is I have 25 years experience. I have a master's in safety and I've lived the experience, and I've worked on wind farms, many high-profile wind farms down through the years. And we understand the hazards, and we understand the complications, and we understand the logistics and the challenges within wind operations, both onshore and offshore. And our customers recognise that we have the expertise and we know the people who can deliver and manage these projects. So whether it's a small one turbine project or whether it's 90 to 100 turbines or more, our guys have the capacity and we have the people to mobilise within the space of a couple of weeks, because we have an operations team as well that manages that service. So we don't just supply the people, but we also manage the performance. We audit our guys, we do peer-to-peer reviews of our guys, and we're constantly adding more and more new talent to the team, but only on a selective process. So a lot of our guys that have worked with us for many years now have come through a system whereby it's been a peer-to-peer process where guys have recommended other guys who they've seen in the field and who they know that have made a massive impact on other projects for other clients. And so, you know, we've made a very conscious effort to try and harness those people and bring them into our environment, and then to look after those people. And these guys have over 20 years experience themselves, and they have the knowledge and the qualification to deal with any challenge within the wind industry, whether it be offshore or onshore. In 2023, the Coyle Group was awarded a very significant project on the Shetland Islands called the Viking project. And we have anywhere up to 10 people working on a day and night shift, managing the safety on that project. It's one of the most highest profile projects in the UK and Ireland and possibly Europe for 2023, and Vestas are our client on that project. Our future within the wind industry is looking very strong. We speak regularly to our clients to see what's on the schedule for planning. There's major projects in the pipeline. Yes, there's a challenge in terms of getting approval for these plans to go through, but in the main, there's enough work for the next 5 to 10 years within the current scope of clients that we have. We are, however, looking for additional like-minded clients, not just wind turbine manufacturers, but obviously end user clients that, you know, will then own the asset and we can help them protect the asset. And we have some great examples of where, you know, we've worked on the construction phase, and then once the project was completed, we worked then with the client to oversee and manage the assets on a day-to-day basis with that client. So if you're a client, or if you're a wind turbine specialist, we'd like to hear from you.